Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Guys, I did it again. I went and I bought more of these pop culture surprise bags. Cannot help myself. These are £10 at the works. You do pay £3.99 for delivery, but if you spend more than £30, which I did, you get free delivery. So this is another pop culture surprise bag. The last time I bought these, I bought them from a different supplier, but they were so good. When I saw them in the works, I definitely had to pick up another couple. And I bought three, so I'll be doing three separate videos and uploading them for you guys just as soon as I can. But the premise of these bags are that they are pop culture surprise bags. They contain at least 3 items. They say that they have a value of over £50 or €60 worth of pop culture collectibles. I know that from the last 3 that I purchased, that whilst the contents are really good, definitely I don't believe getting a full £50 or €60 worth of value. But I mean, you guys might know better than me. I do love a bit of pop culture, but we're going to open the bag, give you a little bit of a sneaky peek, and we're going to pull out our first item at the top, which is, so this is a Minx, am I right, from Naruto Shippuden. You guys can tell me if I'm saying that wrong. I know who Naruto is. I'm not sure about this character, but this is a Minx com. Is this Sakura? And this is the name of the character, and this is just the collectible, the people who make it. And this is anime number 108. This is a gorgeous figure. Really nice. Love the little kind of boot sandals that they've got going on here. This is a really nice figure. I'm really glad that I've got this one. I don't collect Naruto, but my nephew does. So this will be a really great addition to his collection. I hate this on the front of the actual package, and that annoys me a little bit. But a really nice package, a really nice, figure. Packaging is perfect. No nicks, bumps or scrapes on the packaging, so that's awesome. And I don't know, I would probably give this a value of around maybe £6 or £7. So not a bad first little item. We have a really heavy item that I'm going to grab out. Oh, so this is a DC Comics, The Legend of Batman. Nice hardback graphic novel. It's made by Eagle Moss Collections, and this one is 0 Year Part 1. Really heavy novel. And it says 5 years after he disappeared, Bruce Wayne has returned to Gotham City, determined to wage a second war on crime. The city is in the merciless grip of the Red Hood Gang. Many of those members have been blackmailed into a life of crime by the mysterious Red Hood number 1. Before long, Bruce is forced out into the open and return to his public, and his return becomes public. In order to continue his fight, he decides that he must become something more. The Batman. This is absolutely beautiful. This is in chronicle order. This number 1, the first book. And inside we have black and white, which is great. And then we have, the colors on this, the actual graphics are really nice. So this is a gorgeous graphic novel. Really beautiful graphic novel. Very detailed graphic novel. What did that page say? It just gives you the background as to who did the graphics. But I know graphic novels go for, I always err, I guess, on the side of caution. So for me, this graphic novel is probably worth, to me, around probably worth 10. I would say it's definitely worth 10. So for our first two items, I would say our price point, and you guys are probably thinking I'm being super, super stingy, but I like to be reasonable. We can definitely say we've got £16 worth of value. Each one of these bags is £10, so we definitely got more value than the bag cost. So far, so good. We are going to put our hand in and see. Oh, we have... What is this? This is weird. We definitely have four items, which is really, really good because it says at least three items. So we got four in this one, which I think is really, really good. We got this board of directors. Apparently there are 5 to collect, and they're a bag clip. These little bag clips. I'm not going to open this because I don't really know what these are. And I will probably re-gift this or put it into the charity pot. But the ones that you can get on the back are right here. Let me show you guys. I can't even say these. Is it Antole? So this one with the 3D glasses, I believe is Antole. This one is Madge Bud Kennedy. This one is Captain Cap. This one. We have Azami, I think, and Elshez. This is probably about the only one I've pronounced properly, and I hope I've pronounced it properly. I don't really know what board of directors is. Maybe you guys can update me in the comment section below. That would be really awesome. But we have an official, licensed product. Again, not going to open it because I'm not sure what it is. I mean, bag clips usually go for £2-3. What do you guys think? I'm really not sure. I'm probably going to say this is worth about £3. I mean, it's a pretty big bag clip. You can feel it on the inside. It's a pretty big bag clip, and they're usually around 3. So I'm going to say this is 3, and we're up to maybe a value of £19 now, and we still have one item to go, which is hiding inside the bag. And just let me note, these bags are so flippin' colourful. They always catch my eye. Okay, we have a slightly dinged up pop. This pop is Venus Williams. It is pop tennis, and it is number 1. Really, really nice looking pop. I love the tennis racket. You guys can see the tennis racket and the tennis ball. I think that's cute. And she has a really cute, vibrant outfit on. I love her vibrant top and her hat. Well, this actually looks like a sun visor with her hair at the top, which is adorable. This is what the pop looks like when it is on display. You have a number of pop tennis Funkos. We have Venus Williams, Maria, is it Sharapova, John McEnroe. This one is that Bjorn Borg. We have Amanda Anisimova. Guys, if I'm saying these wrong, I apologize. Honestly, do not mean to butcher the names. I just don't do well with names. We have got Nick Kyrgios, this one, this is number 6. We have got Rafael Nadal, and then we've got Roger Federer. I think out of this bunch, I'm pretty happy with Venus. She would have been the one that if I wanted to start this collection, she would have been the one that I absolutely would have wanted first, right from the get-go. I am loving the little flicks of the eyelashes, the eyebrows on point, and I'm just loving this little pop. Guys, these pops go for anything between £10 and £15 usually where I live. This one is a little dinged up. You can see the box is not great. I don't really like that. There are a few creases on the box. This one's probably worth, I would say, 10, if I'm being really honest. £10 for this one. So, with our 4 items, what do I think our value overall is? £29. That's what I'm putting this value at. Now, I'm really happy with that because that's £19 over the value that I paid for the entire bag. If I was to resell these will not go on resale. These will be gifted or put into the charity bags. I do a yearly collection for toys, pops, loads of things really, and I save them up all year, and then I give a big donation to the charity come Christmas. So I will be keeping all of these things. I do have a nephew who loves Naruto. I will pass this on, but everything else will be used for the charity, which is great because I get to open them, look at them, see if there's anything that would fit my collections, and if there are, fantastic, and if they're not, that again is totally fine. I'm an avid collector of Marvel. I love, love, love Marvel. I'm an avid collector of Game of Thrones. I am loving Game of Thrones and the House of Dragons, and also Friends. They're my 4 little collections. So anything that I get that involves those collections, I tend to keep. Everything else gets donated or I give it to friends and family. But I'm exceptionally happy with everything that I got. Really, really great value, and everything is almost in perfect condition. I mean, this has a little bit of not even damage, but a little bit of creasing. Again, nothing to die in a ditch over, really. You know, it'll be perfectly fine. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you ever bought one of these bags? Would you ever buy one of these bags? I know I will definitely buy more, and probably from a different store though, because I like to see what different things that I'll get. I really don't like repeats, and I do have another 2 of these bags. Hope I don't get any repeats in those, but if I do, I do. But I prefer not to get repeats. But any comments, questions, leave them in the comment section below. And guys, just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. It really does help. If you guys would like, share, subscribe, that would be phenomenal. And I'm going to say bye, and I will see you in the next video. But in the interim, please, please, please take care, stay safe, and I will catch you next time. Bye.